living in this when it was bad like this?
They had to have been.
Yeah.
Because it's only been vacant for how long, Mother?
A year.
About a year.
Got in a fight through the bottle at somebody or whatever?
His older daughter came and
There's Tony's
Cooking
room.
Well, the doorknobs might be all good. Although they had locks on that one. They put a lock on. I never put a lock on the door.
Oh, it wasn't on there when you were here? My mom thought maybe your sister-in-law put it on. Because my mom's
This is
brother
my
was
bedroom.
the one that had this place built.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
they lived here
There's
for
my
a while.
closet. I used to play.
And she was
I can't remember having a door.
my brother worked nights and
That's
she
where my
was
bed used to
afraid
be.
to live out here in the country, so she had to put a lock.
Oh.
Well,
she
Judy
locked
said it
herself.
wasn't here.
I was
Judy
front
said it
yard.
wasn't here when they were
I don't
here.
Wait,
remember having
wasn't?
a lock.
Maybe Esther did.
Yeah, maybe yesterday.
Be the cleanest room in the house.
Yeah, that's what we said.
That's Doris and Wendy
That's the
Shields.
best looking thing.
Neighbors. I was recording.
Cannot believe it.
This is when I stumbled out after I cut my toe and I came
I had the
walking
cutest
down the
wallpaper in
hallway.
here. It was seashells.
Mom was cleaning the toilet and I was
Lime
like,
greens and pinks and
I
stuff.
cut my
and the
toe,
lime
Mom.
green.
Remember that when I cut my toe?
Oh, on the gerbil thing?
Yeah, and I came in here and you were like cleaning the toilet and the towel. I said, I cut my toe, and you freaked out, and then I freaked out because my toe was bleeding all over the place.
Could you download them now?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Dad's awful.
Yeah, now you gotta get a computer so you can
Yeah,
see
Judy
these.
gotta get on Facebook. Get
Yeah, they don't even have a computer. They're so 1982.
They call Mother Cyber Granny.
Are you on it all the time?
Yes.
I've got a Facebook page, but I like to see what the families do.
I was on,
This is the washroom.
Showed me how to get on it, so his computer's still
Used to
there.
be where the washer and dryer was.
I'm like, I'm paying for this internet.
Let me take that as a souvenir. No.
So I had him take it off.
Hmm?
So I'm guessing this is where the oven stand was?
Yeah.
Isn't that awful? I told the kids.
You got a washing machine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dishwasher. We never had
Get
that.
back on it. and
That was the people who moved in after us.
Back on, and I can do everything.
Open it.
We were the dishwashers. There's bolts.
Other things to do.
The pond has been
Wait,
filled
wait,
in.
wait, open that up again.
Now I'm playing the dulcimer, and so we're the dulcimer group.
Oh, cool. I love that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Gosh, you're an extra.
We used to have a record.
There's the old
Like
garage.
Amazon or
No,
Sad, sad, sad.
one of the girls in the group does. We're called the First Street Strummers.